Good morning, everybody. We are here. Sorry we're a little late. We're doing good, though. Frank, CFV, first in the chat, baby. Poodle, what's going on, Poodle? Nick, we are late. Yes. Busy doing what now? Toking? Tick-toking, guys. Tick-toking. Oh, my gosh. J-Bones, Lemon Dave, Moji, Kev Machine. Actually, I was doing the TikTok, so I was late scheduling the live. But then I was going to the bathroom. That's why I was like a minute late coming on here. So don't let Nick have lied to you, man. It was the bathroom that actually made me late on the live stream. It was the TikTok that made me late scheduling the live stream. Kev Machine, Moji, Auto Bro, Nick F, One Only Bronson, Nick F. We got George, man, Auto Bro, Pika Power, 11 on Simon. We got Nick F, Frank CFV, Auto Bro, One Only Bronson, Nick F, Pika Power, Frank CFV, 11 Simon. We got where we at here? Auto Bro, JP, J-Bones, JB, Matthew, Moji, JB, Uncle Chicken, JB, Mr. Simon, Kesman, Pika, J-Bones, Mahesh, Mr. Simon, Moji, Pika, Vigo. What's going on, everybody? Glad to have you guys in here this morning. Look how long my hair is. Like, it's actually, like, you could move it on the sides now. What is this? I don't even know what that is, man. Like, little piece, it fell off. Little piece of grass or something? What is going on with that? Anyway, we are here. Let's check out and see what the market's doing right now. Jump over to Webull. We've got AMC in the top left getting blasted today. AMC down 7.5%. Shiba Inu coin 1070. GameStop 25.88. LUNC 27.3 at the moment. Guys, write a letter to Jerome Powell. A nice one, because they'll probably arrest you if you write a bad one. But let the man know that he is just destroying U.S. markets. NASDAQ down 1.20%. GameStop down 3.5%. Bureau Therapeutics 59 cents right now. AMC 7.97. Look at this decline here. My gosh. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin currently green. Sundial down 5% to 239. Mullen Auto 38. This is an actual company. Okay, an actual company. 38 cents. Energy, oil companies 20 cents a share. What? The SPY, 0.61% down. BBIG, 89 cents. Highcroft Mining, 65. This is a legitimate gold mining company that has gold in the ground, multi-million-dollar worth of machinery, trading at 66 cents a share. Netflix, 239. Guess we got a Netflix and chill. Clovis, sitting at $1.15, boxed. It down 9% today. Revlon down 5.5%, $6.06 per share. Terra Luna Classic 23.3, QQQ 280.47 at the moment. We've got Ape sitting at $3.50, down 12%. I'm not gonna lie, dude. That dream I had about $1.49. I'm not one of those guys that's like, oh my god, I dreamed it. We've got to see it now. Because trust me, if we saw everything that I dreamed. Anyway. Ape might be $1.49. I don't know. That one could come true. That one could absolutely come true. Happy birthday, DD214. Simon was late with the birthday, man. Feel bad for Trey. Why, Joey? Why? What's going on with Trey? Shitoshi is going live in the Discord. Ooh. Is this true? I've never heard Shitoshi live before. Very interesting. We're going to watch Terra Luna Classic down in the bottom left. I had Ape up there. We're going to put Terra Luna Classic back up there. All right, some 281 puts on the Qs and not on Robinhood. One Only Bronson, very nice. 281s. I think mine are 280s. I bought some 280s this morning. I bought some 280s right. I did on a 5-minute chart. So yeah, 5-minute chart right here. Right here. I bought some 280s right here. Tested it. What? Okay. Tested it. I'm like, yeah, dude. QQQ is not looking strong today. Got in right here. I was up. They're not moving too much today because they expire tomorrow. I was up probably 15% right here. Came back down about 10% right here. And I don't know, I'm probably break even right now with this red candle right here. But yeah, nonetheless, man, jumped in this morning right before this breakdown. I think I got some 280s is what I got. You get the 281s, I got the 280s. Let's make it happen, man. 1 minute chart on Terra Luna Classic. Let's keep our eyes on it, ladies and gentlemen. See what we got going on down there. Cleared up a bunch of time questions. What are the short percentage on AMC? What are your thoughts on whether or not we still have a June 2021 short squeeze in us? Eric, I haven't seen the latest numbers, but the last I've seen was still right around that 20% mark. We could probably pull up the latest FINRA reported numbers very quickly. Let's see. AMC Short Interest. Fintel numbers right here. Fintel numbers. Short interest, 19.97%, man. No, don't sign me up. Sign me up for none of that nonsense. This is the last reported short interest number, okay? So estimated by Ortex and stuff might be different, but 102 million short shares outstanding, 19.97% short interest, looking good on that. What are the chances? Here's the thing that I like and dislike about it. The short interest number, I mean, it's staying the same, man. It's staying the same. What I dislike about it is a little less excitement about stocks in general right now. So what are the chances we've got a June 2021 type squeeze ahead of us? Dude, we need some people to be excited about stocks right now. When you've got days like this, and I'm not trying to like be pessimistic to anybody, but look at the side, look at the left side of the screen right here, man. Look at this. It's a bloodbath. I hate it. I do. I hate it. And I know other people do as well, man. So when you see days just strung together day after day after day after day after day like this, it's going to be difficult, in my opinion, to see a June 2021 squeeze type of a deal just out of the blue. I think we need to get people excited about the market again, get that FOMO, get that emotion, get that excitement, get that kind of gambling spirit going, and people are just willing to jump in and buy and buy and buy, and then we could absolutely, because, dude, the numbers are the same. The numbers are actually better now than they were in June 2021. So all of the numbers look good. It's just the environment that we're in right now that's not good, man. Victoriano! Cha-cha! Cool. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but Vittoriano's got like the best name. You know what his name is? It's cool. Vittoriano, you've got a cool name, my man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Michael! Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Thank you very much for the fist bump, Michael, the most consistent man in the game. And is Tim in here? Tim sent a super sticker at the end of the live stream yesterday, and I owe him one. So we got to get Tim back in here. If he's not in here yet, I got to get that man his super sticker. Bye-bye. Bye-bye on that one. Fist bum, fist bum. Oh, we got a fist bum in here, baby. Oh, yeah, look at Mullen, bro. Mullen is down, and an early round. Mullen is going down, swinging. Yeah, dude, Mullen Auto down 4.5%, almost 5% today. Daily chart, we can see that it has just been stringing together red after red after red after red. I really don't know too much about what Mullen Auto, I mean, I know they're an electric car company, but I don't really know too much about what their actual financials look like or anything. But when you see this, it reminds me of this, man. Like this stock just got slaughtered back here. I don't know why they strung together such ridiculous losses, going from $15 a share to 50 cents a share. But the same deal is kind of taking place right now with just these wild losses right here, just day after day after day. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because they're terrible at running their company, if they're just diluting the snot out of shareholders, if they don't actually bring in any revenue, they just continue to issue new shares. Like, I don't know what the deal is that makes them so terrible, but they're getting blasted in stock price over the last year, yes, but even recently, it's been very, very tough. Frank, thank you very much, Frank. Joining the LUNC Army. Boom, baby. Open a crypto.com account. Looking to invest 10% of my cash secure puts roll profits in LUNC. Also, a daily recurring $1 Shib buys. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Staying consistent with that Shiba Inu coin army. Guys, you might be like, $1, dude. What the heck is $1 going to do? But if you keep investing dollar after dollar after dollar like that, and you know, we know Frank's investing more than just $1. He's just said he's getting ready to throw 10% of his cash secure puts rolls into Terra Luna Classic. So very nice, man. And continuing to support Shiba Inu coin with them slow buys too. Imagine A dude's a year in, $365. All of a sudden, he's like 20xing on Shiba Inu coin. What are you sitting at, man? What is that? $7,000? Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. Michael, PSA, Binance meeting moved to October 6th. Does anybody work for Binance in here? Because I'm going to say that is extremely lame. If you work for Binance, tell them that is extremely... Like, go into your boss's office right now and laugh at him. Because the internet is laughing at Binance right now. You can't even keep your AMA appointments. They knew that they were going to get ripped, dude. October 6th, they probably think, oh, thank you, Michael, very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. I forgot to say that part, but I do want to say that I would assume with that change there, they're probably hoping that people calm down a little bit before October 6th, and therefore they won't be met with such a hostile, you got to initiate burns on your platform type of an AMA. So, yeah, dude, we know they're available. They're all at work today. We know they could do an Ask Me Anything today. They don't need to wait 2-3 weeks to do it. Let's see. Shitoshi live in the Discord right now. Doesn't look like... what's he saying, man? What's he saying? Shitoshi can kick rocks. Dollar a day buying is super dollar cost averaging. Yes, it is, man. You're going to definitely get that dollar cost average in there, throwing $1 at it every day. Doesn't look like we'll see the run like we were hoping for with the LUNC. Seems more like a long-term play. Glad I'm holding with Diamond Hands. Crypto with Jake. Nice, man. Yeah, and a lot of that excitement that we thought we might see with the initial burns out there... I think if the numbers grow pretty drastically, we can see that run that a lot of people thought we may see. If we don't see a drastic increase in burns, you're definitely right, man. Hey, it's a long-term play, but imagine getting into a major blockchain coin at the very beginning of its build. Risky? Yeah, sure, man. We don't know what's going to go on there, but a lot of potential. Let's see. Closer to the validator update. Okay. Is that what you're talking about with the October 6th? Clay bro! What's up, man? Love the energy, bro. Robbie, glad to have you in here. Darn, I'm on the train. It is falters. Dim, bro. Where you going on a train, man? Also, Binance is leading the race of buying 50 million purchase of Voyager assets. Oh my gosh, dude. $50 million worth of Voyager assets. Let's make it happen, dude. We all moving over to Binance now? Am I going to have to talk crap about Binance instead of Voyager? Hey, man, don't you think Binance is the one who's behind pumping and dumping this thing? Daily, I don't, okay? Why? Yeah, Binance has a lot of coins in their hot wallet, but what do we know about these wallets of Binance? And you can just use what we've learned recently about it if you need an example there. But when you deposit your crypto on Binance, it goes into your deposit wallet, okay? And then immediately after, it's almost automatic. Immediately after you deposit into your wallet, they take it out of your wallet and they put it in theirs. They put it in their hot wallet. So you're depositing coins, and then instead of actually maintaining those coins, you simply have a number in your account. The actual coins go to Binance's wallet. So yes, it does seem like Binance is in control of all of these coins, but they are actually yours. You've got a placeholder in your account, we get that. But if the people were to withdraw their Terra Luna Classic off the Binance platform and move it somewhere else, Terra Station, KuCoin, Kraken, Gate.io, I don't care where you move it, some sort of a MetaMask or well, Trust is still Binance, but you know, if you take it off the Binance platform, all of a sudden Binance owns nothing. I'm sure they do own a certain amount of Terra Luna Classic, but those drastic numbers you see, that's the culmination of everybody's Terra Luna Classic that uses the Binance platform. So I don't think that Binance is pumping and dumping and pumping and dumping and all of that stuff. I mean, the majority of users could be on Binance, and therefore, if a lot of people on Binance are pumping and dumping, then yes, it would be right. But I don't think it's actually Binance that does that. Binance KuCoin burning now. So Erasmo, as far as I know, and I don't know if their deposits and withdrawals have been opened up yet, but as far as I know, that is all they're burning. Deposits and withdrawals, man. And that's not actually KuCoin and Binance burning. That's because it's a blockchain transaction, and we voted to have the blockchain burn 1.2% of all of the Terra Luna Classic transactions. So you're not going to answer my question. Trent, I will definitely answer your question, man. Get it in the chat. Didn't see it. This trader investor isn't a one-trick unicorn. Nice, man. Forget about the one-trick pony, not a one-trick unicorn. Oh, yes. Hey, wait. Don't if you talked about this already, but is there a chance that Terra Luna Classic's burn rate could be increased? Definitely. Watch my videos. So there's definitely a chance the burn rate increases. Let's just talk about not even getting centralized exchanges or anybody on board yet. Let's not even talk about bringing utility to the blockchain and increasing transactions that way. Let's just simply look at what we've got so far. So yesterday was a pretty slow day with minimal transactions on the blockchain, and we were able to accomplish, what was it, like 80 million Terra Luna Classic that were burnt yesterday. If you come over and you see how many the 1.2% burn tax has burned so far, we're at 348 million Terra Luna Classic. So we've burnt like 250 million coins, basically just this morning alone. So yes, we will see this number rise. We will see this number average out. We will see this number kind of plateau with the daily burns that we're finding there. But that doesn't take into consideration any centralized exchanges updating their platform and burning deposits and withdrawals. It doesn't yet take into consideration if centralized exchanges will burn spot and margin trades. It doesn't take into consideration any additional utility on the Terra Luna blockchain that would cause additional volume and transactions to take place. So yes, this number can absolutely increase. I mean, it could increase. We've only got like 24 hours worth of data, and nobody's going to be able to determine a trend with only one data point. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this Army Vet Bro? I can't even see the full name there. Is it Army Vet Bro? If it's Army Vet Bro, it looks like it might be Army Vet Bro because I can't tell on the name, but I see a dude and possibly two little girls in that picture there. So yeah, Army Vet Bro. Yes! Goal! Army Vet Bro, thank you for the goal! Army Vet Bro, thank you very much for the goal! I don't know if it was Maggie, I don't know if it was Georgia, I don't know if it was Angus that clicked that button, but thank you for the goal! Thank you for the super sticker, Army Vet Bro. Hope you guys are having a great morning today. Absolutely loving it, man. And hopefully you guys are having fun today, right? It's a little cold here. I don't know where you guys are from, man, but 60 degrees and cloudy outside today. A little cold, but we're going to make it a good day nonetheless. It's starting to become like hot apple cider time, man. We got to go put some apple cider in the microwave there. Yes. Go! Oh, yeah, you know what it is, Uncle Chicken. Heck yeah, man. Been following since the start. Fantastic updates. Zafsha! Thank you very much, man. I really do appreciate the positive feedback, guys, because there's a lot of people out there that they just want to tear you down. It's not going to happen, though. I'll tell you that, right? I'm going to tear myself down before I let somebody else tear me down. Bro, give me a hoo-ha. Hoo-ha, John James. Hey, bro, what's up? Triple the burn rate overnight. More exchange implemented the update. JC Los, I think, yeah, one by one, but I don't think that everybody has updated their platform yet, JC, so I think that there's still a lot of work to do there with these centralized exchanges being complete. Would increasing the burn percentage of exchanges don't allow off-chain burn taxes a good or bad thing? Say 5%, for example, which would burn 4 times what we are seeing right now. So Kev Machine, it could be a good thing or a bad thing, okay? And you got to look at it this way, and I actually don't know if these guys that came up with 1.2% did any sort of research or any sort of focus groups or any sort of I guess analytics or whatever on that 1.2%. So why I'm saying that? If we taxed it at 5%, yes, we could burn 4 times the amount that we are currently burning. If and only if the transactional volume remains the same. Now, there are people out there who will not trade if you're going to get hit with a 5% burn tax. 1% seems low, might not deter people from trading. Think about it. If all of a sudden you implemented a 80% burn tax, you might think, dude, we could burn 80% or 80 times what we're burning right now if we implemented an 80% burn tax. But then you got to ask the question, who in their right mind is going to be burning or going to be trading or moving their coins around if they lose 80% of their coins every time they do so? So you have to balance that number. It's the same deal, you know. Like if you live in a country, your income tax rate is 80%, dude. If you're a millionaire, if you make $1 million a year, that's a multi-millionaire. If you make $1 million a year, what kind of a fool do you have to be to stay in a country that's going to keep 80%? You go to another, like, you're not going to just give up $800,000 a year. You're going to go to another country. You're going to find some sort of a tax break where you can keep that $800,000 that you worked for. So you think about it that way, there will be people at certain points who do not trade anymore at all because they can't afford, they don't want to, they just are not in support of that high of a tax rate. Is it at 4%, 5%? The 1.2%, if they did their research? I don't know what that number is, where it's optimal burns, because you don't lose the traders, but you're still able. Maybe that's why they squeezed the 0.2% in there. Maybe 1%, nobody cared about it. But 2%, people are like, they're a little iffy. And then that 0.2% that they squeezed in there is just a little bit extra milk, man, to get it in there. Did it 5%, it would kill the blockchain. Yeah, Michael, see what I'm saying? Like, if we surveyed everybody in here, okay, you would definitely have guys like Michael that would say, no way, dude. There's no way I'd get hit with a 5% tax. That's like these little Binance smart chain coins that you got coming out on a daily basis that hits you with a 5% tax that goes to the developers. Other people might be like, and this is true, you might have traders out there that are like, dude, you know, I'm killing 12% trades every time I hit it. I don't really care if it's 5%. If 5% seems steep, but it's not really going to deter me from doing my thing because I'm sitting here banking 12% gains on every hit. So some people would be on board with it. Some people definitely wouldn't be on board with it. I don't know where that optimal number sits, though. I don't know. And I don't know if these guys did any research to see that it was 1.2 or not. Mr. Garcia, LUNC to $1, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. If LUNC goes to $1, there's gonna be a lot of happy people out there, man. Dimbro, chat is hacked. We got the XYZ best adult dating. I honestly, chat 69XYZ. I really can't imagine that chat69.xyz is the best adult dating site. Like, it doesn't even make sense, man. You gotta either get a different name or just be honest with yourself. It's not gonna be the best adult dating site. I don't know which one is, but it's certainly not chat69xyz. No. So it'd be like chat69xyz, a good adult dating site. You could even say great adult dating site, but best adult dating site? Nah, dude, now you're just lying to everybody in here. I know you are. Check out BMY, bucking the market. Dude, BMY bucking the market today. What is going on? How are these things going? We got, 2%. Nice, man. Going up today. Boom, big old green candle. Hey, I don't understand how anything could be bucking the market today. Like, this is just ridiculousness down here with everything getting ripped. Starbucks, down to $2. Look at this IPO. $46 on the IPO. Starbucks sitting at $2.06 today. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this bad boy. Vroom down to $1.29. Ouch. Ouch, man. Down 15% today. Dang it. Guys got to be getting hit pretty hard on that. Wonder if Trey made it out. No idea. No idea. Man, we getting hit hard in the stock market. 788 on AMC, ladies and gentlemen. We're living in a dark and dangerous world. I will tell you that right now. Best dating sites are hot chicks and turtlenecks. I'm old school. Outdo, bro. There you go, man. You could actually probably start a decent website with like girls and turtlenecks or something. I'm sure that would be a thing. Satoshi chat and Discord. It's just a bunch of people awaiting in the voice chat. I haven't heard from Satoshi yet, but at least I made it in. Only room for 60 open spots. Dang it, man. Pika is VI stinking P, man. Shiba Inu Discord, and Pika makes it in. Pika, you are VIP. My gosh. Bro, it's going to go crazy. CZ's going to smash some news very soon. Zaf, I love the optimism, man. I absolutely hope that he does. If he does, you're right. I mean, I can't find a route in my mind that you are wrong if he does that. If he doesn't do it, right? We're making the assumption that he does do it. I don't know if we jump like that if he doesn't make any announcement there. But yeah, dude, I absolutely hope that he does, because you're definitely right if he does. I miss Sam too, picking up chicks. Yeah, Moji, man. We got to get Sam to man number 2 back in here. It's quite legit trying to move my coins for Stick It a Coin in or Terra Station, but they're stuck in Kraken right now. So Jeffrey, I have never used Coin in. I haven't seen anybody complain about Coin in, but I haven't used them. Terra Station, if you're thinking about using Terra Station, it's gonna be more legit than Coin in would be. But I don't know if Coin in is a good platform or not. If anybody has experience with it, please let us know. Mo, sorry, I had time to monitor the Discord. I think someone else muted him on YouTube. I didn't mute him on here. Is he not in here? Should we unmute him? Should I go see? Ignacio, bearish. Price action, or what are you saying? Like Google withdrawal fee is 2.4%, the normal 1,000 LUNC. I'm hoping this means double burn, hot wallet, ascended Terra Station. Yeah, Jared, here's the thing that I don't like about that though. It does most likely mean double burn, okay? But you truly should not be charged that double burn. See, this is the thing that I don't like about it. It's like this sweep fee that these exchanges have going on now. When you deposit it in your wallet, it should stay in your wallet until you move it around. But what they do is they take it from your wallet and automatically move it to their wallet. So when you withdraw and you're depositing, withdrawing and stuff, then they move it from their wallet back to your wallet. Then you can send it to whatever wallet you want to send it to. And in their side of things, getting hit from sending it to their hot wallet to your wallet, that shouldn't be passed on to you, man. Why should that be passed on to you? That's their dealings. That's you never asked them to go put it in their wallet for you. That's why I don't necessarily like these sweep fees and these double burns like that. It does mean double burns, yes, but they should get hit with that. They're the ones making that move, not you. Auto bro, thank you very much for the ring for the coin. Auto bro, thank you very much for the ring for the coin. Auto bro, thank you very much for the ring for the coin. Auto bro, thank you very much for the coin, man. Really appreciate. I really don't know how else to turn into a sticker. It's just like you're grabbing a coin in Sonic or something, and you got to get the little noise on it, and then bling 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 bling. Like you got to get the action going on there. That's the best way I got to do a coin on that one. Bro, CZ better hurry. We implemented the burns on our side. Time to pony up, baby. Dark, bro. I agree. What is this guy doing? He needs to get it. Thighs better than breasts. Nico. If Nico learned anything ever in the live stream, facts on that, man. Especially at the current prices, Nico. Especially at the current prices. But WCT, 50-cent call options for January, and it's running today. Nice, Bronson. Bronson, you holding? I mean, those calls are a long way out, man. So you holding? Was Jared Binance AMA on YouTube canceled today? Long John, yes. I believe somebody said it was rescheduled for October 6th. Correct that date if I'm wrong, but October 6th is the date that they said they rescheduled it for. Hey, bro. I talked to Kraken about swap fee. They said, by default, when coins are deposited, it goes to a certain wallet, and a second wallet after. The fees are charged by Terra, and they don't keep any of it. Yeah, Anthony, it's true, man. It's true. So, but it's their decision. Right? It's their decision to keep swapping wallets around like that. They're the ones that are making that trade and that transaction, but they're hitting you for that transaction. You see what I'm saying? Like, you're the one that's getting hit that fee there. Imagine if they sent it to like 5 or 6 or 7 different wallets just because they wanted to. You gonna be cool with a 12% tax because they sent it to 10 different wallets? I certainly wouldn't be. I'm only sending it to one wallet, man. I'm sending it to my wallet right there. Dang, we just had a big old green line in the QQQ. We got the market bouncing up pretty high right now. QQQ sitting at 281 in 3 minutes, going from 279.80 all the way up to 281. Ridiculous. Dollar move higher in the market right there. No idea what could be causing that little spike up, but nonetheless, 3 minutes. Big movement there. Not translating over into crypto. Could be translating into Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin having a couple nice minutes right here, but nonetheless, really, really heavy 3 minutes, bringing the market back up. And I don't know if we're going to see a downside here, if it's going to continue up, but nonetheless, yeah, you guys got a decent 3 minutes strung together on the market. And as we're watching, we don't see it translated over into AMC, which is still down 8.5%. Ape, $3.50 per share, down 12% on the day. Man, market's still getting hit very hard, but the QQQ jumping up pretty decent there. The NASDAQ doing the same thing. Yeah, NASDAQ stringing together 3 really nice green minutes there. Don't know what was up with that, but traders must have been jumping in to make it move like that there. That was interesting to see that. Pika, how are you? Hope you're feeling better. Heck yeah. Pika, how are you? Hope you're feeling better. Heck yeah. Exchanges should be forced to pay the second fee. Kev Machine, man, I wholeheartedly agree, dude. I wholeheartedly agree. It's not your choice to send it to multiple wallets. And what happens when they just want to send it to their wallet, 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 and just bounce it around, man? What are they going to do there? They're just going to be like, oh, yeah, it sucks to be you. We threw it in 15 different wallets for you. Let's see. Yeah, thanks, somebody. I'm doing great. Heck yeah, Emma. Still can't get over the wrench, but looking foxy. Oh, yes. Poodle, you and me both. Didn't see what Poodle said there. Poodle, I just want my crypto from Voyager. Me too, Poodle. Couldn't the exchanges make more money in the long run if they do the off-chain burn? Army vet, bro. Yes. I believe yes. Here is what I can conceive is their mentality. So this is the way I think they look at it. If they charge you 1.2% to trade Terra Luna Classic, and if you're a legitimate trader, okay, you're coming in there trying to scalp a couple percent gains at a time. If you lose 1.2% on every single one of your trades, and you would not lose that on another platform, buying and selling. So you buy it, get hit 1.2%. You sell it, you get hit 1.2%. You're basically getting hit 2.4%, right? You got to make at least 3.4% if you want to scalp 1% for the day. If you could do the same thing on a competitor like KuCoin, not get charged that tax, you know, legitimate traders would be like, well, why would I ever want to get hit with that tax, man? I'm going to go to an exchange that I don't get hit that tax with. So I believe that's why these exchanges don't want to implement the burn. they wouldn't be losing any money on that burn. It's still your coins that would be burnt. However, they believe people would flock to other platforms that don't have the burn, and they would lose customers. Now, if the exact opposite is true, if those that are supporting Terra Luna Classic and supporting Terra Luna burns are the ones that are using these exchanges, and we say, hey, we realize we need the burns in order to reach the prices that we want to reach, we are only going to use platforms that burn on spot trades. If that's the case, they're going to start losing money to exchanges that do support the burns. And when that happens, I can guarantee you they all jump on board, man. They all jump on board, and they're all going to burn on 1.2% spot and margin trades. So I think that they believe they're going to make more money or retain customers without the burn tax. Let's see. LUNC was at 88 million burn when I went to bed, and I woke up in 333 million burn by the tax. Steven, yes, man. The burn tax currently sitting, I got to make sure I got the right page up. Burn tax currently sitting at, let's refresh it, 348, still at 348. What do we got? Yeah, 348,972,000 burned by the burn tax so far. Not bad for a little bit over 24 hours, man. Not bad for the very first 24-plus hour period there. Looking good on that. I'm excited about it. I do believe that number absolutely needs to grow, but we're one day in, man. Let's see. Frank, you here to... Frank is here. Oh, Frank, we get the Frankinator. Yes. Far and wide to reach the LUNC family. Frankinator, very good. And now, boys, I'm not selfish. I'll share. Very good. I like, and we got some selfless people in here. Very good. Binance having a meeting today about this off-chain burn. David, they were going to have an AMA or an Ask Me Anything today on social media. They have rescheduled that. But as far as like what meetings are actually going on in Binance, I have no idea what type of internal meetings Binance has going on. I do know that they rescheduled the Ask Me Anything that was scheduled for today. Hey bro, stick to my LUNC. I want to know, does the rate of the rewards increase as I wait, or is it the same rate? Because I staked 2 days ago, and I only got 246 LUNC for now. So Amado, I'm not sure how to say the name there. It should stay the same unless you increase the amount of Terra Luna Classic that you're staking. So the rate should stay the same. If you've been staking for 2 days, you're hitting about 123 LUNC a day. You're going to be hitting about 123 LUNC a day. I don't know how much you're staking, but you got to keep in mind, dude, it's still a relatively low number that you're going to be receiving in rewards, because what you've got is basically, I would assume you're on the average, 4% annualized rewards. So if you had 1 million staked, you're looking at what? 40% would be 400 million. 40,000 per year if you had 1 million staked. Yeah, 40,000 per year if you had 1 million staked. So you've got to look at it that way, man. Then you got to divide that 40,000 by 365 to get your daily number there. But they are relatively low rates, man. I just saw a comment saying, LUNC Army, hope that army is stronger than the Ape Army and the Shiba Army, because one bad news, everyone forgets those plays and moves on to something new. Then wonder why we haven't squeezed yet. Chris bringing in a big old dose of reality right now. And that is why, yes, that is why you need to maintain the excitement, and that is absolutely why you need to maintain the focus. Chris is definitely right on that one, man. Gotta be quicker, Dark Bro. Gotta be quicker. Ooh, yeah, man. Chat 69 getting blocked by Auto Pro. You guys, I don't know if you actually just deleted them or hid them, but you can actually hide them from the channel. I don't know which one you're doing, but yeah, we don't need these guys in here commenting on anything. We are the few. We are the proud. We are the lunatics. Oh, ein Deutscher. What? Rise again? Come again? Barney Fife with 1 bullet. Let's do it, man. Auto, bro. I'm packing for vacation, man. I'm not worried. Dark, bro. Good. Where are you going on vacation, dude? How's it possible when we have a 500 million trade volume and only a 300 million coin burn? Stephen Astaire, right? We're gonna go with Stephen. So when you see $500 million volume, that is adding together all of the volume. It's adding all of the spot trades, all of the margin trades on Binance, KuCoin, and so on. It's adding together every platform that allows you to trade Terra Luna Classic and giving you the total. Now, the 300 million coin burn part is only on blockchain transactions. And these major exchanges have not yet agreed to do the 1.2% burn tax on their platform. So right now we are only seeing the burns on on-chain, which means blockchain transactions. If the exchanges decide to burn as well, then we could see, yes, you would be using that $500 million number, and you would be burning the 1.2% of $500 million. So over $5 million would be burnt at that point. Right now, it's simply only burning the blockchain transactions. Does anyone know how to withdraw Luna from Etoro? They are only allowing holding at this time. I can't withdraw to a wallet, for example. James, I don't know, man. Etoro isn't very good in the United States, man. They don't have any affiliate programs. They don't really let you do anything on their platform. So I actually don't know too much about Etoro. Thanks, bro. Going to Family Beach House. Nice, Dark Bro. Perfect. I hit it from the channel. Poodle. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Thank you. Unfair question. When will the bull run come, in your opinion? Bradley, time frame? I have no idea. When will the bull run come, in my opinion? Nonsense with Russia and Ukraine stops. Nonsense with government spending stops. Nonsense with all of this type of like forgiveness and stuff like that stops. We need to make sure that inflation comes down. We need to make sure that interest rates come back down. There's a lot that we need to see happen economically before I think we see a major bull run take place. You know, and it's not to say that a bull run can't be a precursor to the economy getting better as well. So if you go back to like 2007, 2008, everything spiraling out of control, the economy wasn't necessarily getting better in March of 2009, but that's when the market bottomed. And bottoming in 2009 there was technically a precursor to the economy getting better. I remember, we were still in a recession in 2010. So there's a lot that can happen in the overall economy that gets overlooked by the market if people see a drastic enough decline. Where that line is in crypto, where that line is on the stock market right now, I do not know if we'll find that bottom before the economy starts getting better. But if the economy starts getting better, there's going to be a lot of value plays out there in crypto, stocks, and so on. So I think that's what you got to kind of look for as opposed to giving you an actual date. I think the market will go to 2023. I'm thinking we won't have a bull market till then, possibly. Nelson, yeah, I don't think that's an impossibility, man. I don't think it's an impossibility. If we've got the Federal Reserve coming in and the Federal Reserve continues to raise interest rates by 75 basis points, continues to tell us everything sucks. If we get, let's say, interest rates or inflation, let's say the inflation rate that comes out in the next couple of weeks here is an increase from 8.3%. Dude, we're going to be in an even worse position than we are right now. So there's a lot that could still happen that could lead to some downside, especially on an economic level and not just like an individual stock or individual crypto level. There's a lot that we could get hit with, man. So yes, I do think that it could go into 2023 there. I think the bull run will become Q1 to Q3 of 2023. Wage, I hope so, man. Yeah, bull runs, guys, or bear runs don't typically last much more than a year to a year and a half. It's the bull runs that last a lot longer, 5, 10 years, and so on. But the bear market cycles, they're usually a lot shorter lived. They're very quick and they drop significantly, but they're typically between the 1 to 1.5 year time frame. I guess they could be extended into 2 years depending on what you're looking at is the start date and possible end date. But yeah, the good news is we're already a year in. It's basically going to be November that marks the peak. So we'll be a year in November, and if we see a typical 16 to 18 month cycle, then yeah, sometime in that time frame that you're talking there, Q1 to Q3 of 2023, we could absolutely bottom out and see some major market gains after that. The very bottom still does not have it. I think we could do another 20 to 30% down on everything. I think we were holding or buying anything in the past few months. Yeah, Nelson Channel. I don't think that's an impossibility at all, man. When do you release the Bro Classic coin? Ooh, Dimbro. Very good question, man. We got to get the Bro Classic on the radar here. No question. You're the best. I love your videos, live chats. Thank you, bro. Bradley, thank you, man. Really appreciate you being in here. And I do like the positive feedback, man. Thank you. Let's talk Nasara implementation. Who knows, but there is a meeting of world leaders at the Queen's funeral, and I can only imagine that a gathering like that would have some interesting topics. Yeah, you would think that. I hope that all the world leaders are smart, man. Sometimes they make some weird choices. Do you think buying more LUNC at the current price is a smart move? Shoesmith Drones. Only if buying more LUNC doesn't overextend yourself. Okay? If you're overextending yourself, no, I don't think it's smart. But if a bunch of CEOs stole seed money for kids given by the government, at that point, what's going to make people to stop all that crap? Chris? It won't. It won't, man. As bad as that sounds, like, people who are willing to do something like that, they don't care about laws. So even if you put a law in place, which laws are in place, and they'll skirt the law all day long. So you can't do it that way with some sort of a punishment or some sort of a regulation. You could say that you're going to hire people who have integrity and hire people who have values and morals. But typically, the guys with morals and values get overlooked by somebody who's willing to skirt the law and take 2 steps in front of them. So very difficult for, I guess, the moral compass to be led in situations like that. So if we can't fill those positions with people who are willing to do the right thing, and we can't deter the people who are in those positions from doing the wrong thing, I don't see it stopping. I don't see nonsense like that stopping, dude. If the guy goes to jail that did it, the next guy that comes in, man, he's going to be tempted to do the exact same thing. Funny, Trophius won't catch you then because he don't have any... Oh my god, I don't know what we're talking about, man. Is the Shiba stream live? Possibly in the Shiba Inu Discord. Pika said there were only 60 seats available or something. Are you covering Shiba live stream today? I don't have the Shiba Inu coin Discord live stream going. No. Which percentage? Let's see. Very small percentage, Paul. Why? Very different recession here. Even another Paulson-style bailout couldn't paper over this rampant inflation. Magnifico. Yeah, and I see a lot of people pointing to the fact that the recession we had, 10 years ago or whatever, 15 years ago, was different in the sense that there were no jobs available. I remember going to college, and everybody's like, oh my god, man, I don't know what you're going to do. And getting out of college, you're never going to get a job. Nobody's hiring any. Why would they hire you fresh out of college when they could hire somebody that's got 30 years experience? Because both you guys are looking for jobs right now. So there is a difference, yes, that the labor market is still strong in the sense that jobs are available. But right now, dude, nobody's wanting to work. Right now, nobody's wanting to work. So... yeah, we got an inflation problem now that we didn't necessarily have before, but we've got jobs available now that we didn't necessarily have before. So it's is a very strange comparison if you're trying to compare it to past recessions and past times that we've had. But nonetheless, man, we're living in a dark time right now. Attributes me go way back. Remember when he called out Matt Perry, OG throwing shade? Still has me cracking up. Nice, Pika. Market Gains posted a video on Binance halting Luna Classic to add off-chain burn. What do you think? Luke, I don't think that that's happening. Okay? I don't think that they're doing off-chain burns just yet. I wish they were, but I have not seen them say anything about that, and I really don't think that that's what we've got going on at the moment. I don't think we see that until they really start losing some money, man. It's just, that's me being a little, I guess, bearish / realistic on what these corporations are after. So I don't see that being the reason. Back in the good old days, yes, the good old days, man. I remember the good old days. Guys, we're living the good old days right now. MLGA, make Luna great again. Let's do it. We could make Luna great again. Living through a watershed moment in world history. Alex, we might be, man. The Shiba game is going to use 5% of the game revenue it makes to burn Shiba Inu coin. Nice, Paul. Did they just announce that in the AMA? I always wondered where the revenue from that game will go. Is that revenue just going straight to Playside Studios? Or the Shiba Inu coin, like there's the Satoshi and Queenie and Eric, do these guys rip some of that revenue there? And that's why they're hoping they get 33 million downloads on download day by using the Shiba Inu coin army. Where does that revenue go? I would like to know. And at 58,000, will it still go back there any soon or by the end of the year? She had chance, so it absolutely could go there by the end of the year. Honestly, Terra Luna Classic, yes. You could wake up tomorrow, and with how volatile this coin is, it could be up there. I could see it easily blowing through that level if one of these exchanges would announce 1.2% burns on their spot and margin trading. I truly believe that we could see some major gains if one of them would do that. But I don't know if they will. That's the difficult part. I hope that they do, but that's all I can do, man. I can't convince them to do it. Open jobs is a total lie. They're counting each posting as an opening. So my company posts for one open job. It's cross-posted recruitment sites, and bam, now you have 2 to 7 open jobs. Oh God. M&D, if that's the legitimate way that they count open jobs, they need to fix that. They need to fix that for sure. I didn't know that was the way they counted open jobs, and if that's true, they need to fix that immediately. Auto Bro! Thank you for the super chat. Auto Bro says, Clay Bros Peach, I got you. Auto Bro, thank you for Clay Bros Peach, man. Really appreciate that super sticker there. Auto Bro is the only guy that's allowed to touch that one, so anybody else out there, you better look, not touch though. Auto Bro, man, thank you very much for the peach. Bro, I'm just hoping I wake up one morning soon and Binance announces that then the rest is history. The rest will be history. Yeah, Dark Bro, if you wake up one morning and Binance has announced that, the rest will be history, man. It's simple. They get it back in treat rewards. All the devs have their pockets lined up with this stuff. Dang it, Pika. I want my pockets lined. Come on. What happened to Red Hot NFTs? Tanked like the Titanic. Yeah, very interesting that they did tank like the Titanic, man. I don't even know what the average price of like a Bored Ape or a Mutant Ape is these days. But I have seen some statistics on OpenSea volume and OpenSea like value traded. Oh my gosh, yes. Tanked down to nothing, man. Ridiculous how far it fell. Not joking, my recruitment company told me this is how they're pulling data and that I need to choose where I want things posted to cut down on this. It's yeah, M&D, that is maddening. Like that doesn't make any sense. And the strange thing is, how does that make sense? Like, I get it if they're trying to pad numbers, but there's nobody that is actually allowing that to take place. Like, are they really? I mean, I don't even want to know. I don't even know if dumb's the right answer. Like, dumb would be if they legitimately didn't know that counting the same job 5 times was wrong. I don't think anybody could actually make it into a position like that if they didn't know that. So dumb isn't even the right answer. I think that, like, that's just a scam. How do these people allow scams like that to go on just to pad their numbers? I mean, there's 232 people in here right now, right? Maybe somebody's watching on a computer and a phone. So there might be 231 different people, but 232 different devices are logged in. If I open two Google Chromes, do I have 464 people in here now? Because I got 2 Google Chromes open? If I open 3, am I sitting on 700 people sitting in here? No. Like, I know that's wrong. What do these people do, man? I don't understand how they got these numbers coming up. Has anyone seen D? D who? Pepe? D who, Pepe? D who? Chat 69, I got some issues. Yes, they do, man. They keep getting blocked and coming right back. I have no idea why. I have seen these sexbot chats, though, in places like, these streams that have music playing all day long that you can go in there that, like, not many people are typing in. Has anyone seen Do Kwon? I heard some agencies are looking for him. I have not seen Do Kwon. King Mamba, we got the 2-month member chat. Wow, time flies. Oh, it does, man. You got that hot dog with a dip and shove, and you got the salt shaker with a little... Oh, yes, King Mamba, man. Thank you very much for the member chat. Appreciate you having that 2-month member chat there. And we're gonna go small dip and shove and small salt shaker on that one since it's on the member chat. But nonetheless, man, thank you very much for having that member chat, man. I am sure they do a plus or minus the 1.2%. I might have missed something before that. Watching on my phone at work. Nelson channel. There you go, man. There you go. I don't know if you work at a big corporation, too, but you should just, you should get the link. You should CC all and send it to everybody that you work with. I'll get you a promotion. I'll get you a promotion right now. Congrats, mama. Congrats, mama. Congrats, mama. King, big king. Congrats, mama. Shiba has big news today. Look it up. Brian, what's the big news, man? Is it the 5% gaming revenue will be burnt? Or you got something else on the big news there, man? Binance gonna do off-chain burn tax forever. I hope so. I hope so. I have not seen anything directly from Binance about that yet. A couple people in here trying to talk about it. You got some other dude on YouTube just saying that's what they're doing. So I hope that is the case. Guys, if we go over here, a little market recap, we can see that the QQQ is trying to come up. However, running into a lot of resistance right here in this area. So let's watch and see what happens if it is able to break through this line or not. We are using it as resistance. And we got a little channel forming here between the red line and the purple line. So we'll see what's going on with the market and whether or not it's going to be able to maintain gains or if it does end up falling back down. Same behavior you're going to see in the NASDAQ right here. It's basically the same thing. GameStop sitting at $25.54, down 5% of the day. Bureau Therapeutics, 59 cents. AMC, $8. Ethereum sitting at $12.82, up 3%. Shiba up 3%. Bitcoin up 3%. Sundial down 6%. Auto, 37.95 cents, down 6.5%. CEI sitting down 8.79%, right? 8.78%. SPY, 0.53% lower. BBIG, 89.5 cents. Highcroft Mining down 5.5% today. Netflix 0.62% higher. Clovis $1.14. Boxed sitting at 92.7 cents, down 8.5%. I don't know if we need Boxed on the watch list anymore. Revlon sitting at 607. We get Terra Luna Classic 27.3. QQQ 280.80. Ape 356, down 10% right now. We will watch Terra Luna Classic for the next few minutes here until the end of the stream, but nonetheless, man, very difficult day for the overall market. Poodle 13, I'm still waiting for the internet breaking news. It's been like a year. We've been waiting for the internet breaking news for like a year now, man. And I kind of hope that after the tax was implemented, we'd be at least 30. Yeah, we're stuck in that. Leo, I agree with you, but we're stuck in this range, man. I've been looking at a 4-hour chart recently on Terra Luna Classic here. And this is the tight range you can see between 30,000 and 26,000. But really between 26,000 and 33,000 points per coin. We've been trading in this range, just absolutely stuck in it for quite some time now. This is a 4-hour chart going all the way back to September 14th, man. So it's been over a week that we've been stuck in this range. 35,000 is going to be nice, yes. But if we break the 33, man, I honestly think we could go higher than 35. So that's what I'm looking at. It has been some consolidation, some stagnation in between this channel that we're in. But nonetheless, man, I do hope we break out of the upside as well. And we not just test 35. I hope we break through 35 once we see that upside. But this is where we're at right now, man. Sitting at 27. Really some stagnation in the price action on Terra Luna Classic there. However, the market does seem like it might be getting a little bit better right now. 280.98, possibly breaking back up out of this resistance. If we bring it to the very tip top of this range right here, this is going to be an interesting break if it does move higher. It does seem to not be following this trend line anymore. We don't need it. So this is what you got to watch if you're looking at the QQQ and you want a short-term trend, are these higher lows that it keeps hitting here throughout the afternoon. So this is what I would be watching, and it does seem to be rejected off of this resistance line again. So watching it here, we're going to have to see if it continues this upward trend or if it breaks down below the ascending trend line. Keep our eyes on the QQQ there, but we got Terra Luna Classic sitting at 27.3 at the moment. If it's internet breaking news, how would we find out what it is with the internet being broke? Newspaper, stick beater, newspaper, telephone. Somebody's going to have to call you on the telephone. Somebody's going to have to read it in the newspaper. Can Binance put the off-chain burn tax without an announcement, or they have to? That's interesting. I don't know if they have to announce a tax being added, but they might have to announce a fee being added to their transactions. Because imagine if they added a 100% trading fee on Terra Luna Classic, and you went and traded it, and they took 100% of your coins. Well, that's not right. And if they didn't have to make that publicly known, they could literally just go steal everybody's coins right now and walk away with hundreds of billions of dollars. So I think that they have to announce it based on that. They can't just walk away with $100 billion or almost $1 trillion worth of coins. There's no way they'd be able to do that. Adam Aaron did mention this date. September 22nd. 2022 has been mentioned. Don't get me wrong, I love me some Shiba, but these devs are great at throwing wrenches into the progress of everything. Why announce something, then update us on it? When Shiba... Yes. I want to know when Shibarium as well, Pika. I do. I don't know. These guys all might be like 16 years old. I have no idea. However, did you see the tweet between Wall Street Bets and CZ Binance? I don't think so. Which one was it? Let me put it this way. I probably have seen it because I think I've seen like literally every tweet that mentions LUNC Burn, Luna Classic, Terra Luna, and so on. But I don't recall which one you might be talking about right now. Keep the newspapers, the best thing to clean your windows with. Really? You can clean your windows with a newspaper? Any news about the AMA with Binance? Gabriel, I think it has been rescheduled for October 6th. Based on what somebody in here said, it has been rescheduled for October 6th, man. I don't know why they canceled it or anything like that, but that's what I've heard. Sup, bro? How's the cough going? All gone yet? Bosco, not all gone yet, but I do feel like it's a lot better. if I'm not sitting here, talking as much as I do right now, I'm not just like walking around the house and coughing, but talking as much as I do during this live stream, it definitely irritates it a little bit and makes me want to either clear my throat or cough. She was talking about how to burn billions, do some videos. The new game is coming October 27th. October 27th, with 5% of the gaming revenue being burnt. Nice, Brian, nice. Yes, newspapers don't leave residue. Really? Does it have to be a newspaper, or can it be like those ads that they send you? I don't get the newspaper. But can it be like the ads that they send you for grocery stores? Or no? Got to be newspaper. They asked when they would support the burn tax, and CZ Binance said, when the burn is live. Yeah, okay, so Wage, I think I have seen that. I didn't think that was a recent... I didn't think that was a recent tweet. I thought we were talking about a recent tweet there. That does seem like it's been around and been floating around for quite some time. So I hope, man. I hope that that's correct. AMC bounced back up above $8. Yes, AMC stringing together some nice green right now. It's down 7% on the day, but it was down more earlier at 783 down here. Currently sitting at 801 at the moment. The market's just been getting slaughtered today, man. This paper's also good for stainless steel. Who would have known, man? Same material. All right, sweet. Well, I get the grocery store ads. So actually, I could use that. Never even thought about using that, man. Never even thought about it. I have a bad feeling LUNC will crash hard once it reaches a penny, dime, and a dollar due to everyone selling their position simultaneously. What are your thoughts, Clay? Psychopathetica. Yeah, I agree. I think it's going to be even a little bit more difficult to reach those levels than a lot of people think. So, Terra Luna Classic reaching a penny. I believe a lot of people are going to be selling at 0.0099, 0.0098, 0.0097, 0.00975, 0.00969, things like that to try and undercut the next guy and get out before he sells. So I think it's going to be difficult to reach a penny exactly, but if you're talking a penny is like 0.0099, that's going to be a lot more achievable because I think we're going to see a lot of the sell orders come in there. Bought the news and held it until Shibarium released in 2087. Now I'm living in an apartment, but I'm enjoying this $2 million Kia Forte. Nice, Pika. Nice. Pika bought the news. Heck yeah, loving it. Shibarium finally released in 2087. We are making headlines, ladies and gentlemen. The paper material is what does it. Dang, dude. Poodle. I'm going to have to try this, man. Because I actually cleaned like all the windows in my house maybe 3 weeks ago. Never thought about using the paper like that. Newspaper keeps it squeaky clean. You can use water and vinegar. Dang, man. I'm going to have to look into this. But, guys, 60-40 mixture of water peroxide is the best for car windows, though. Really? Dang, man. I'm going to have to look into this. You guys know way too much. I'm going to have to look into some of this. All right, guys, it is 1 o'clock. We're going to get off here for now. We will be back later, so make sure to join us for the afternoon live stream. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do these shout-outs, and then, like I say, we will be back. Diddy214, man, shout-out to you, Moji, Poodle, Psychopathetica, Pepe. See you later, AMC Chapter saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Lunatics. Ufa Arjan, see you later, man. Riptide Redemption, have a good day. Poodle, Nelson Channel, AMC Trapper, Pika, Dark Bro, Bosco, Mellow Mamas, HD, or MD Hewitt, man, sorry. Zaf Shah, see you later, everyone. SD, enjoy your afternoon. Walter Van Houligan, Psychopathetica, peace out to you. D's, man, enjoy your day. Army Vet Bro, see you later. Georgia, Maggie, Angus, you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Ufa, see you later. Rule Villain, see ya. Justin, Dinosaur Canoe, Pepe, Becca, Randy, King Mamba, Stig Beater, bye to you. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, Carlos. Till the next time, Michael. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.